How to make your Facebook profile private. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make your Facebook profile private. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Go to Settings. On Facebook, go to the menu and tap the Settings icon. Then, tap Privacy Checkup. Step 2. Private Account. From there, tap Who can see what you share and tap Continue. Then, you can set all of your profile information to only me so no one else can see information about you. To do that, simply select the drop-down arrows on the right and change all of their values to only me and tap Next. Change your stories and default audience to only me. Then tap Delimit twice. Afterwards, tap Next. The last one is the blocked list. If you want to block someone, simply tap the plus sign icon next to the Add to Block List text and tap Next when you're done. And that's it! That is how you make your Facebook profile private. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!